Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how I made my porch floor. I'm using strip wood that measures 1/16 of an inch thick by 1/2 inch wide. As you can see, I'm laying 3 pieces on the floor at a time and making a pencil mark on the back of them so I know where to cut. I'm using my mini table saw to quickly cut the pieces. If you don't have a table saw, use a miter box and saw, or use a utility knife and a metal ruler. I probably won't be using all these pieces since I'll be spacing them apart slightly. Stain or paint the boards first. Sand the floor first so the boards will adhere better. I'm using Weld Bond glue. Per the instructions, you need to put the glue on both of the pieces that you're gluing. It's important that the first piece is straight since the rest of the pieces will follow, and that's why I'm waiting until this one is completely dry before gluing the rest of the boards on. I'm using painter's tape to keep it in place in addition to weighing it down. It doesn't take long for this glue to adhere. And now I'm ready to start gluing more boards. I'm using toothpicks to determine the spacing between the boards. About halfway through, I like to take a break and weigh them all down just to be sure that they adhere to the surface. The last piece is not the same width, so I'm measuring it, and off camera I cut the board using an X-Acto knife and a metal ruler. And now I'm putting on the last piece. I like to use a paintbrush to spread the glue on in tight places. The paintbrush also comes in handy to wipe away excess glue. Finally, I weigh the whole thing down overnight because the cure time on this glue is 24 hours. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when I post again. Thank you for watching.